Do you want to know what is the best and fastest way to boost your recruits and your sales using social media? 2024 can be a year where you 10x your sales and your business. I'm going to share an organic funnel with you where you will see customers popping in your back office and potential team members booking on your calendar. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase or beg anyone to join them and instead create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your business every single week. And I also have a free digital recruiting bootcamp in there. You will learn strategies that have helped me achieve results without having to bother anyone. And in the description of this video is where you can find the link to sign up. I will show you how you can capture sales without wasting a whole bunch of time. On your social media, it's important to have an infrastructure that is very simple. Number one, we're going to talk about your bio, your intro, the first thing that people see when they land on your profile. Doesn't matter which profile that is, if it's YouTube channel, if it's Instagram, Facebook, it has to be about them. So the first thing that people need to see on your profile, in your bio, is how you help them, who you help and how you help them. This is really important. And then if you can have a link telling them where to go, what to get, that is also very helpful. Past the days when people were interested to learn about you when they land on your profile, what do you like, what your interests are like, nobody cares anymore. People have such a short attention span right now. All they want to do is what is in it for me, how you can help me. So don't waste the space in your bio saying that you love dogs, that you are mom of two, mom of boys. Nobody cares. They just want to know who are you helping. You're helping moms. How are you helping them do what? And what you want to have in place in your bio is something like Linktree. I use Linktree, but there's other different things that you can use where you have different links, different websites that you can post in the same link. So when it opens up, it gives them few options. And I'll share with you what I would like for you to have in that Linktree or whatever platform you're using for that. So number one is something that is going to give them value. I have a free funnel, but if you're not there yet, if you don't have a funnel with the email autoresponder and all of that website, it's okay. What can you give people that is a free value? So for example, you're in health and wellness. Can you give them a recipe? Can you give them a meal plan? Can you give them something for free? They go there and they download this article. It's important to give people something for free so they're like, okay, this person is not trying to sell me something, they're really helpful. So if I'm buying maybe a weight loss program from them, they will give me all this free information and they will support me much more than somebody else who's just there selling the products. So have that as the first thing in your bio, is something that is downloadable, that is easy for them to get. If you can capture their information in return, even better. But if you don't sweat over it. So have something like that as your first. And then number two, number three, you want to have your top selling products. But here is the thing, you don't want to have the product name in a description. What you want to do instead, which is more powerful, is put down in that description, what does this product do? What problem does it solve? Have a cute, funny name. For example, like my mommy go-go juice or something like that. It explains what it's going to do, and then have the link where they can go and learn more and purchase the product. This will be much more clickable if people see something like fun instead of just the name of the product. It doesn't mean anything. Next thing you want is you want to have information on how people can work with you, how they can join your team, and have the little questionnaire they can fill out, and your calendar where they can book an appointment to talk with you. And lastly, where else on social media they can connect with you, because they may be watching you from TikTok and you want them to go to your Instagram, or the other way around, or maybe it's YouTube and you want them to go on your Facebook, maybe you want them to join a Facebook group. So have something that you want them to do on social media where you want them to go next. Of course, put that link tree inside of your bio in the platform that you're mostly using. It can be in your Instagram, in your Facebook, on your YouTube channel. Now, TikTok is a little bit funny because you have to have 1,000 subscribers if it's a personal channel before you can put any links in your bio. I have a business TikTok account, which is not as great, and I have almost 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to switch when I get there. But on the business account, I can put a link tree. So I have Linktree on my TikTok. But if you don't want to go that route, if you want to grow your TikTok, which is in one of my previous videos, YouTube videos, I suggest growing on TikTok, and you can really get to, if you focus on that platform alone this year, in the next 30 to 90 days, you can grow that to 1,000 followers very easily. So now that we have your infrastructure, the next thing is going to be short form videos. This is something that you want to put most of your effort in. That's something that is bringing you the most leads, and not everybody is doing it. So you can grow your business as fast as possible with marketing using short form videos. Now, pick a platform where you want to start from. You can either start from TikTok, remove the watermark, and you can then repurpose those videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Why not? If you can put them in all of those places, why not? Even in the stories, you can post short form videos inside of your Instagram and Facebook stories. I start on Instagram, so I go ahead and remove the watermark using one of the apps, and then I post the same video on all of the other platforms. You want to be in as many places as you can. And to make this super quick, first of all, you got to have an app, whether you're starting from TikTok or from Instagram, that removes that watermark for you. And then how I find it super quick is I use my phone notes to write descriptions. So when I'm posting on my Instagram, which is where I start, I will have this description written out, and then I just copy it and paste it. And I have hashtag that I copy and paste from there as well. That is just super quick. Remove the watermark and I share the video. I copy paste the description, I copy paste hashtags, and it's done. So reposting for me takes about 5 minutes, and it's done all over the place. I get audience on all of these channels at the same time. I suggest you do a run. Do 1 to 3 videos. See what you can stay consistent with every day for 30 days and see what happens. I can promise you, you're gonna see some amazing results, amazing leads, amazing growth for your business if you stay consistent with this strategy. Another thing that will save you time is record these videos in batches. That's what I do. I put like 7 different shirts, and I film 2 videos in different shirts, save clips that I like, that I want to recreate, and then I just go through, and in 1 hour I create 2 weeks worth of videos. I don't edit them right there and then. I just pick one a day, and I just put captions, and I do like cuts and anything that you need. But you can definitely film them and have those clips ready for 2 weeks. And another thing what you can do, everywhere you are, just take short clips and short videos wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And then if you don't have anything that is pre-filmed, you can just use those short clips of when you're on vacation or whatever, when you're working, when you're on the phone, filming yourself, whatever you want. And then you can just write captions, and that is your short form video for the day as well. And your strategy needs to be very simple. So pick one benefit of your product. What is that one benefit of one product? And then you can create 9 different videos with different angle, different hook, which is a different outcome of that product. So for example, you lost weight, and what happened because of that? You got compliments, you felt more confident, you fitted into something that you couldn't fit into since you had a baby. So put in 9 different outcomes, how it made you feel, what was the impact of that result, and create 9 different videos. And you just don't know which one is going to work the best. And then the next 9 batch of videos needs to be about a different product, a different outcome, and then just create a different benefit, and then create different outcomes of that same benefit. And just go from there, and you will see what hooks work the best, what was the one that was most popular, and just keep on doing and working on that one. The number 3 is call to action. Make sure you're putting not just go to the link in my bio. That doesn't necessarily work anymore. You want to put it down to post an emoji, to post a different word. So you will send them the information, make them follow you, whatever call to action you want. So switch them around, either to read the description and in the description have a call to action, or to post a word, to comment something. So whatever it is, to share, to save the video, always make sure that you have a call to action in every single short video that you do. Having bio, the first thing that I talked about, and having all those links in your link tree inside of your bio is super important which will, your short form video goes viral, because you will not have time to answer like hundreds of messages all at once. You will be able to just direct them, go to this link in my bio, and you will start seeing people just going in and booking on your calendar or becoming customers and showing up in your back office. But you have to have that created first, so that way you're not wasting time on one-on-one conversations, qualifying people. You can go back once you get your customers, and then you can go back and see who you haven't talked to yet. But that will really help you to automate your time. I see some of the gurus are teaching you to get an assistant, to hire somebody to answer your comments. But instead, if you have it already in place in your bio that is completely automated, in my opinion, that's better. Be committed. Focus on this strategy for 30 days and see what happens. My question for you is, how many short form videos are you currently posting every day? And how many are you willing to do from now on? Drop me that answer in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Consider liking and subscribing to this channel so you get more videos from me every single week. And I will see you on the next video.